This is the data in front of you. A company acquirer which wants to acquire a target company. Both companies' net profits are given, shares quantity in issue that is given, EPS is also given, and market value per share of acquirer is $10 and that of target is $7. While the PE ratio of acquirer is 16.7 times and that of target is 10.5 times. So now what happens actually when such company is acquired by a target, by the acquirer company? So what happens actually? Now, so we proceed further. So that data, that should be very much clear. So yes, its shares are expensive. So it can issue few shares to buy target company. Acquirer can issue because its shares are $10 and that of target is $7 per share. So now what happens actually? We need to calculate that how much is the value of target company, how much we need to pay to them. So EPS is multiplied with their, PE ratio, and the value of 7 is calculated. Now, what is the total market value of target company? 900 into, that is the number of shares, into market value per share, 7. That is equal to 6,300. That is the purchase price which acquirer has to pay to acquire the target company. Now, it has to issue shares to buy this. $10 per share is price of acquirer company's share. So how many shares they need to issue? So they need to issue now 630 shares. 6,300 is the total value of target company. So $10 per share. So they need to issue $10 per share is the price of acquirer shares. So acquirer has to issue 630 shares only to acquire the target company. Now, what will happen? So when they issue, their total number of shares will become. Currently, they have how many shares? They have 2,000 shares in issue. You see, 2,000. When they have to buy, now 630 shares more to be issued. Now, so come here. So the next total number of shares in issue of acquirer will be here. Now we need to calculate total earning of combined company. 1,200 of acquirer, 600 of the target company. The combined net profit of the both companies will be here. Now EPS we can calculate. Revised EPS of combined company is 0.6844. You see here, post-merger, EPS has increased. Before merger, it was EPS of acquirer was 0.63. Now, it has increased to 0.684. 14% increase. How it happened? This phenomena is called EPS bootstrapping. It occurs in the mergers and acquisition when a highly priced stock, they purchased a low price stock, so they have to issue fewer shares because of higher price of an EP and PE ratio of acquirer. They have to issue lower number of shares to buy that target company, and so total earning income increased and hence EPS is increased. So this is called bootstrapping effect. Now, how this is relevant to AFM? Remember that this can be asked in discussion question of your paper. You must know how it is happening actually. This all you can discuss in the discussion. But remember that EPS is increasing. Even there are no synergies considered. Why it is increasing? Because of a high PE ratio company purchased a low PE ratio company, issued lesser number of shares. Okay, there is no real value creation. So market will not reward it. Market may not, consider this as real earning, real growth in the business. There is nothing like that. So remember, this concept can be asked in theoretical question in your exam. Thank you.